My mom and I at the first Islanders Stanley Cup playoff game at UBS Arena. The party started the minute we hit the parking lot, and they had a celebration going on outside as well. We came in through the Amex entrance and took our seats. They had rally towels at all the seats, plus they gave out those souvenir ticket stubs. I decided to wander around, check out the team store and where they do the television broadcast, and then we waited for warm-ups. So excited to see the team hit the ice for warm-ups in anticipation of their first playoff game. And then after warm-ups, everyone was especially excited. The national anthem singer was right by me and he was hyping up the crowd. They had Stanley do a pre-game hype video, and then the team took the ice. They did the national anthem and I ended up underneath the Islanders flag. And then the game got started, which I totally love the view from my seats. The fans were so into everything, and in case they weren't, they had these awesome signs up on the Jumbotron. First playoff goal was scored by Casey Cizikas, and the crowd went crazy. The final score was 5-1, and they actually ended the game with 2.8 seconds left because there was so much fighting. The team did amazing, we totally loved it, and we're ready for Sunday. Let's go Islanders!